of the Chickaloon area spoke a language and preserved a unique culture found nowhere else in the world. The Ahtna have persevered as a people and a society, despite all of the drastic changes brought upon them by the arrival of colonists from Russia, Europe, and the United States. The construction of the Alaska Railroad in 1917 and the Glen Highway in 1941 ended the isolation of the Ahtna people and changed forever the economic structure of this Ahtna region. Elder Catherine Wade wrote in her book, Chickaloon Spirit Chapter 6, "The earth is for all of us. Everything on the earth has a reason for being. All the animals, birds, plants, insects, even rocks have a reason to be. Humans were placed here as caretakers. Wherever we traveled, we left the area better than we found it. We trimmed dead branches off trees so they could grow healthier. We burned up the dead logs and cut down the dead trees. When we had it looking real nice and all those jobs were done, it was time to move on. The next time we passed through that area, we'd find a different place to camp and take care of. While we walked through the woods, we picked dead twigs from the trees and broke them into short pieces to leave on the ground. It made the trees prettier, the trails safer, and the twigs quickly mulched into good soil to feed the ground."